Hi, my name's Sherry Hartz. I am treasurer of the CAP, and we have Mariana here who is going to be talking about what our plans are for our June meeting. So Mariana, can you tell me a little bit about yourself and your background?
Yes, I am a psychologist. I graduated in '89 in Argentina, the School of Psychology at the University of Buenos Aires. At that time, it was very psychoanalysis oriented, but then I did many postgraduate courses there and here with systemic family therapy, um, internal family systems, and many more modalities. And I would say that right now it's kind of eclectic. After so many years, you start using tools that you learn, you know, throughout decades. I love what I do, and I work mostly with bicultural individuals and couples, expats. I like the idea of working from the perspective of people that they have to uh, accommodate to a different culture. They need to be part of that system, but at the same time keep their values, traditions at home. And because I work in many countries, during many years, I was very involved with public health and assisted ministries of health and in HIV and AIDS. That was a topic that I was involved for many years and working with people living with HIV or AIDS and their family systems, right? Um, that allowed me to learn so much from what meant to work with people that they were not living in their countries. They have to do all these accommodations. So that's a topic that I have a passion for. Um, so that's what I do. I work with adults, young adults, couples, and families. I don't work with, high school and down ages, only in the context of family therapy.
Okay. So talk to me about what we're planning for June and kind of what does that look like? What does the format look like? What is the
Yes,
topic?
yeah. We are planning to do a meeting, an open conversation in June about how to support our clients in these shifting times. And I came up with that idea because for the last 3 months or so, all my clients um, were bringing that, how the environment is affecting them, and it's difficult for them to support their clients when they are not clear about their own situation, how to navigate these changes. So I thought that this could be really very useful for all of us working with people that are also, being affected by the situation that we are living, how to deal with that in a better way. So that's how I came up with that idea. And I think it's going to be interested just to be to support one another and share tools on how we can be very, efficient, supportive, and understand what this means for different people.
Now, do you see the structure of how this is, does it have like a little bit of lesson at the beginning, or is it
Yes,
introducing it, do you?
yes. What I was thinking is to bring different cases of clients of mine. Um, it could be immigrants. I work with diplomats as well, a large range of, population, and just give examples of what is going on with these people and what were the ways that I thought being of support could be useful. And I would like to listen to other colleagues if they are going through these very same situations, how they handle that, and maybe exchange tools and ways to deal with this. And I think this was very useful also during the pandemic, having counsel groups in that during those times to see how can we support our clients. And I think community among professionals allows to do that, to have a very constructive space and safe.
Got it. I got it. All right. Well, anything else that you want to wrap up with that might be helpful for us to know as we're going forward and
I I think that, one of the things that I'm looking forward in, as a secretary of the CAP, is to have members coming and offering content, suggestions, things that they would like to learn or that they would like to have discussions about, so that we can have a calendar where we can have the open discussions, the workshops. And also, if you have colleagues that do not live here, but they moved, and you think they might benefit from these meetings, please invite them. They can just make a donation to CAP and that's it, whatever feels right to them. But we don't want to close doors for people that are not members, but they're willing to, um, you know, be part of this.
yeah, and we're really focusing on, working with the members first, and then if other
Of
people
course.
are interested in providing information, that would be okay as well. But our real focus here is really supporting CAP and um, moving forward with really learning from you all and sharing the information that you guys have to share. So thank you so much,
Yeah.
Mariana.
You're welcome. Sorry, my pleasure.
Yeah, and feel free to, I'll go ahead and post some of our contact information in the more on the YouTube channel as well so that you guys can connect with us there. All right. Thanks so much.
Bye bye.